everyone, welcome back to podcast Hobby Hub, the show where we talk about everything fun and exciting. I'm Teguh Haki Sobri and today we have an amazing topic. The topic is the joy of gaming.
That's right, I am Muhammad Fikri Adim, and whether you are a casual gamer, a hardcore player, or just curious about the gaming world, this episode is for you.
So, why do people love gaming? What makes it so enjoyable? Is it just about fun or is there something more to it? Today we'll dive into this question and explore why gaming is one of the most popular hobbies in the world.
Gaming is more than just pressing button on a controller. For many, it is a form of escape, a way to experience adventure beyond reality. Whether it is exploring vast open world, solving complex puzzle, or competing against players worldwide, game offer something for everyone.
Exactly, take RPG like the of Legend of Zelda or Final Fantasy. They transfer player to fantastical realms. Meanwhile, competitive games like Call of Duty or League of Legends test your skill and strategy.
And let's not forget about storytelling. Some of the best stories today come from video games. Have you ever felt emotionally attached to a character in a game?
Oh, absolutely. I remember finishing The Last of Us and just sitting there, emotionally drained. Is incredible how games can make you feel so connected.
It is fascinating how video games can create such strong emotion. Some games even bring moral dilemmas that make players think deeply about their choice.
Yes, games like Detroit Become Human or Red Dead Redemption 2 make you question your action and ethics, just like a great movie or book would.
And what about nostalgia? Many games, many gamers love playing classic games from their childhood. I still go back to Super Mario 64 and Pokemon Red and Blue. They bring back so many memories.
That's a great point. Retro gaming has a hug following, and companies are even remaking old classics for modern consoles. It's amazing how these games still hold up today.
Another aspect of gaming's appeal is creativity. Many games allow players to create their own world, like Minecraft, The Sims, and Little Big Planet. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly. There are also many games that focus on storytelling where the player's choice shape the outcome, making every playthrough unique.
Some people say gaming is a waste of time, but researchly actually shows it has a lot of benefit.
Right. First, gaming improve con- cognitive skills. Puzzle games like Portal of strategy of games like Civilization challenge your brain in unique ways.
Then there's the social aspect. Multiplayer games let people connect with friends and even make new ones worldwide. Games like Minecraft and Fortnite are perfect example of that.
And let's not forget stress relief. After a long day, playing something relaxing like Stardew Valley or even an action-packed shooter can really help unwind.
Not to mention the educational side of gaming. Many games teach history, problem solving, and even new language. Have you ever played Assassin's Creed and learning about historical event?
Yes, it's crazy how much detail they put in the settings, making them feel like time machines to the past.
Gaming is also a great way to develop teamwork and leadership skill. Games like Dota 2 and Overwatch require players to communicate and work together to win.
And let's not forget fitness games. Titles like Rings Fit Adventure and Just Dance make exercising more fun and interactive.
That's so fun. People are using VR headset like the Oculus Quest to stay active while gaming. It is a whole new way to keep fit.
Plus, gaming can even boost creativity. Games that involve building, designing, or even coding, like Dreams on PlayStation, allow players to express themselves in ways other media don't.
One of the most exciting development in gaming is the rise of esport. What started as friendly competition has turned into a billion-dollar industry with millions of fans worldwide.
Absolutely, games like League of Legends, Counter Strike, Global Offensive, and Valorant have massive tournaments with millions in prize money. Some players even make a career out of gaming.
Uh, and it is not just about playing. Sport involves coaches, analysts, shortcaster, and even team manager. It is a whole ecosystem just like traditional sport.
Many universities are now offering sports scholarships, and professional teams have sponsorship deals with major brands. It's amazing how gaming has evolved into a legitimate for profession.
And esport viewership is skyrocketing. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming bring in millions of views who tune into watch their favorite team compete.
Even traditional sports organizations are investing in sport teams. The NBA, NVL, and even One have own sport leagues now.
With the constant growth of esport, who knows? Maybe one day we will see gaming in the Olympics.
So why do we love gaming? Because it's more than just entertainment. It's why to connect, learn, and explore new possibilities.
Whether you are gamer or not, the world of video games has something for everyone.
And I want to ask you, what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Valorant and Genshin Impact, and I maybe just like shooting game. And how about you? What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is PUBG Mobile and Mobile Legend because uh, this game have a lot many strategy. And the last my favorite game is NBA.
Okay. And why do we have hobbies?
Hobbies are a great way to release stress, improve mental health, and even boost productivity. Studies show hobbies can help reduce anxiety and depression. They give you a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Different types of hobby that is creative is art, music, and physical is sport, yoga, and intellectual is reading, puzzle, and social. Team is team sport and volunteering. A quick fun fact: Winston Churchill took up painting is in his 40 Second, and found it to be an incredible stress reliever. And many people say, I don't have a hobby, but everyone has interests. They just haven't explored them yet. And I want to give where people say I don't have a hobby. Tips on discover a hobby is think about childhood. What you did love doing in childhood. Uh, the second tip is experiment. Try different things, even once outside your comfort zone. The third, don't worry about being good. Hobbies are about enjoyment, not perfection. And hiking unusual hobbies people might not consider. Bird watching, calligraphy, or even building Lego sets an adult. And I want to ask you now, how did you discover your hobby?
And how I discovered my hobby. Yes, I found it when I was doing nothing and I feel bored. That's when I started playing games, and I could also see other people doing it, and I started to get interest.
And I want to ask you again, what do you love most about it?
Why I love most about playing games is usually the thrill of the challenge when you successful complete a difficult mission or defeat a opponent. There is a sense of satisfaction that is addictive. In addition, many games have interesting stories and fast world to explore. So it can feel like entering another world. Sorry. Playing games can also be a way to socialize both with old friends and now people you meet in the game. For many people, games are an escape from the stress and busyness of everyday life. Others enjoy how games can hone skills such as strategy, reflexes, or teamwork.
And have you faced any challenge?
If you play game, is you always meet a challenge. So yeah, it's always challenging.
And any advice for people looking for a new hobby?
New hobby. If you like typing, like you are copywriting or something like that, you can maybe just buy mechanical keyboard for typing. Like you can modification the keyboard, like you can change the switch or you can change the keycaps. It's like you can feel satisfied for typing, and yeah, yes, I think you can that find new hobby.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Wow, that's a great discussion. If you don't have a hobby yet, I challenge you to try something new this week. And if you already have a hobby you love, share it within the media social. Tag us and tell us what makes your hobby special and for turning to the hobby hub. See you next time for
See
another
you.
dive into things that bring you joy. Thank
See
you, bro.
guys.
Thank you.
Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about